seats. They're all yours. While they go back, would you mind? It reaches to the highest mountain, flows to the lowest valley.
It reaches to the highest mountain.
Just lift your hands and thank you for this. Come on.
And it flows to the lowest valley. The blood that gives me strength from day to day. It will. It's the blood that Jesus shed for me. Come on, lift your hands. Way back on Calvary. Oh, the blood that gives me strength from day to day. It will. Its power it reaches to the highest mountain, and it flows to the lowest blood that gives me strength from day to day. Oh, it will never lose its power. Oh, it reaches, well, it reaches. And it flows to the lowest. That gives me strength from
I'd like you to give Micah Stampley a big welcome.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome back. So we are doing the second hymn. We are breaking down the second hymn together, and basically we have the blood. So we have the blood, okay. And we are in the key of E flat major. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay. So the blood that Jesus shed for me. The blood that gives me strength from day to day. It will never lose its power. Pretty basic and simple, okay? So let's get into it. So the blood, we start off on the 1. So on the 1 I have the E flat, the B flat, and the E flat on the left. Okay, and on the right we have the G, the B flat, and the E flat. A 3, so the blood, the Jesus. So on the 3 we have the G and the E flat. Okay, let's add the F as well. So on the right is the G, the B flat, okay, and the E flat. So the blood, the Jesus shared, okay, to a 4. So we have the A flat major. So I have the A flat and the E flat, okay, and on the right I have the A flat, the B flat, the C, and the E flat shared, and we have a C diminished added 6th, okay, for me, okay. So that's basically the A and the C on the left, and on the right I have the E flat, the G flat, the A, and the C. So the blood, that's Jesus shed for me. Okay, so on the 5 we have the B flat, the G, okay, of the B flat, and on the right we have the E flat, okay. You can choose to maintain this, okay. I'm just doing an extension, okay. So